Hi, these are the best tips of your QCY T1C. And number one is fully charge the headphones before using them for the first time. This will help prolong the life of the headphones. And when they are charging, you should see that this indicator on the back is blinking white. Number two is if you don't use the headphones for more than 2 weeks, be sure to recharge them periodically so that the battery doesn't die permanently. Number three, for charging, only use chargers from trusted manufacturers so that everything works safely. And of course, try using this cable which goes in a complect with a device. Number four, if your phone can't find your headphones, check if they are in a pairing mode. If you don't connect for a long time, the headphones will go out of this mode, so just enter it again. If the problem is on the phone size, reboot it. And if there is something wrong with the headphones themselves, just reboot or reset them. And let me show you how to enable pairing mode. For that, firstly, we will need to take them out of the charging case like that, and they should automatically go into a pairing mode, and you should see that those indicators are blinking white. Now let's take our phone and open settings. From here, we would need to select Bluetooth, and now let me just forget this old connection. So now we would need to reset Bluetooth by turning it off and then on like that. And after that, you will see your QCY T1C in the list of other devices. But if not, you should simply press those controllers on the top of earbuds till those indicators will be blinking white, as I said before. And now just select your device from the list like that and wait for it to be connected. If you would like to reset them, you will need to go in this QCY app. Here, make sure that the earbuds are connected. Then go in the settings, select more settings and choose reset to default. Then tap OK and don't forget to delete pairing records. And after that, reconnect them with the app. And now let's talk about things that are best to avoid. Number one is never disassemble or modify the headphones yourself. Doing so may result in damage or even dangerous situations. Number two, don't leave them in extreme temperatures such as below 0 degrees Celsius or above 45 degrees. This can damage the battery. Number three, try not to use the bright headphone indicator near the eyes of children or animals. Number four, don't use the headphones during a thunderstorm, as this may affect the performance of the device and increase the risk of electric shock. Number five, use only a soft cloth to clean dirt without strong chemicals or detergents. And the last one, most importantly, keep them away from water. Moisture is the enemy of electronics. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.